My name is Richard Limon. I work for Endeavor Air. I'm the quality control inspector, manager. I've been in aviation for 20 some years, and I thought I was done with aviation, but I went into the engineering field in the automotive sector. Then all of a sudden, I got my bachelor's degree, and then this position opened up, and here I am. Coming back here is like a treat. I love aviation. I love these guys that I'm around. I never, ever in my wildest dreams thought that I would be back in aviation, but here I am with my experience as an aircraft mechanic and my leadership experience, and that's why they took me. What I love about working in this industry is doing something that most people don't get to do every day. It's just phenomenal. I mean, to wake up in the morning and smell the jet fuel, that's the old saying, right? But this culture, the aviation culture, is a very tight-knit culture. If I'm here in Michigan, somebody in Texas knows who I am because of the aviation field, if you will. So it's a very tight-knit family. I couldn't ask for a better group of people to be around with. Ultimately, stick to your dreams, right? But stick to the A&P route. Once you have an A&P, nobody can take that from you. To me personally, A&P is well worth it. Yes, I would recommend, and I have recommended individuals for the program. As for goals, my next goal is to become regional manager for Endeavor Air. That's my next goal. And then hopefully by then, if I don't retire, I want to be the VP. So as for different routes that you could take in the aviation industry, you could take the route of becoming a sheet metal specialist, strictly focusing on the airframe and sheet metal. You can become an individual that just strictly focuses on the engine. You can become an individual that focuses on engineering, blueprints, diagrams, hydraulics, pneumatics, electrical. You can also become an individual that likes to deal with dispatch, maintenance control. I mean, you can go into anything. A&P is endless, man.